Hello everyone. In our previous video we have learnt about the introduction of HCF and LCM and how to solve HCF of two numbers. In this video we are going to learn about least common multiple. In our previous video we have clearly discussed about what do you mean by least common multiple. So now we can solve the problems using general method and prime factorization. First, general method. By using general method we will solve the problems. Before going to solve the problem of LCM, first we will come to know what actually LCM is in our daily life, where we are going to use LCM. Okay. See, for example, here is a girl and she goes to swimming classes alternative days. Means if today's date is 2nd and when is her next swimming class schedule? Alternative days. So leaving 3rd, 4th will be her next swimming class. Next, leaving 5th, her next swimming class will be on 6th. Leaving 7th, 8th. Leaving 9th, 10th. Leaving 11th, 12th. So on. If the same girl is going to dance class once in a 3 days, means if today's date is 3rd and she has then next her dance class will be scheduled on 6th. Her next dance class will be scheduled on 9th. Her next dance class will be scheduled on 12th. Her next dance class will be scheduled on 15th. So on. 18th. So on. Right? Now she is checking her schedule when she has both the swimming class and dance class occurring on the same date. So now we will check her swimming class schedules. 2nd. She's having a swimming class on only 2nd. And she has dance class only on 3rd. She has again swimming class only on 4th. And she has her dance class and her swimming class on 6th and her dance class on 6th. So the common date she is occurring with both the dance class and swimming class is on 6th. Next, 7th she doesn't have any class. On 8th she has only swimming class. On 9th she is having only dance class. On 10th she is having only swimming class. On 11th again it's a holiday. On 12th again she is having dance class, swimming class and dance class. So the next common date when she has both the swimming and dance class is 12th. And so on this happens. So now you came to know that both on 6th and 12th dates she has to attend her swimming class and dance class. In such situations you can use LCM and find the common dates. Okay. Now you may have a question. Why only least is mentioned here? Why not highest? Right? What do you mean by least common multiple? Coming to the word, least means the smallest, common means common in the both numbers or many numbers. Because we may find LCM for 3 numbers, 4 numbers also. And multiple. Multiple means in the previous video we have already discussed about the multiple. So now for example in the general method, the same example which we saw just before, we will try to solve that so that you have a clear idea of what we are learning. So now I have to find the least common multiple of 2 and 3. 2, 3. So coming from the right to left, each word multiple. What do you mean by multiple? Multiple of these two numbers 2 and 3. The multiples of 2 are 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14. Multiples of 3 are 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18. Nothing but 2 table and 3 table. Okay. The next step is finding the common terms, common multiples in 2 and 3. What are the common multiples in 2? Do you have 2 in 3? No. Do you have 4 in 3 table? No. Do you have 6 in 3 table? Yes, 6. So common is 6. Next, check in the same way. You have 12. So on, right? As I am finding only least common multiple, I'll end up with these two. And the least among 6 and 12 is 6. So my LCM is 6. And why is it called LCM? Not highest common multiple? Why only least common multiple? Because when you are taking the multiples which are common in both 2 and 3, you will end up with many big numbers. So finding the last highest number is difficult. So we will find LCM. and so the name LCM came from the least common multiple. I guess you are clear with this concept. And this is the general method, finding LCM from general method for the smallest numbers. For the larger number, we will use prime factorization method to find the LCM. And prime factorization method is also called as double division method. See, now I have to find the LCM of 12 and 14, for example. Okay. Now, if I will write on going 12, see, some kids may not, like lower section kids, then they will not learn about like beyond 12 tables. That may be difficult for them. So, for them, this method will be useful. See, 12, 14. You have to write numbers like this. Take like this. What is this method called? Prime factorization. Means you have to factorize these numbers with prime numbers. What do you mean by prime numbers? The number which have multiple only 1 and itself are known as prime factors. So, 1 is the prime factor. I can go with 1. But if I go with 1, again I will get 12 and 14. So, I am skipping 1 to reduce the steps. And next prime factor is 2. So, 2. Check with 2. Is 12 divisible by, is 12 multiple of 2? Yes. 6 are. 14. Is 14 multiple of 2? Yes, 7 are. Next. Next again. Go with 2. You can also go with 3 also. See, 2, right. When you are multiply, is 6 multiple of 2? Yes. 3 are. Is 7 multiple of 2? No. In this case, what you have to do? You have to write the same number as it is in the next step. Okay. Next. Are you able to factorize it with 2 again? No, because here we are left over with 3 and 7. Both are not the multiples of 2. So the next prime factor is 3. I am going with the 3 because here I have 3 and 3 is a multiple of 3. So I am going with 3 and 7. 7 is not a multiple of 3. So in the, like the previous step, we will write the same number again on the next step. So 3 ones are 3 and so 3 ones are 3 and 7 as it is I am writing 7. Next 7 is a prime factor. So 7. 1 I am writing as this and 7 ones are 7. So now how we can find the LCM? By multiplying all these numbers we will get the value of LCM. So what is our LCM? What we have 2, 2, 3, 7. So 2 into 2 into 3 into 7. 2 2s are 4. 4 3s are 12. 12 7s are 84. So our LCM is 84. Now what is the LCM of 12 and 14? The LCM of 12 and 14 is 84. Why we opted this method rather than general method? In general method, we should write till the number which like many multiples, many numbers. That is time taking process and a little difficulty. So we opted for this method. In our next videos, we are going to learn about LCM of three numbers and some shortcuts. I'll tell you some shortcuts how to find LCM for 2 numbers and 3 numbers and what is the relation between LCM and HCF. Thanks for watching. Please do like, share and subscribe. If you have any doubts, please drop it in comment so that I'll get back to you. Thank you.